Good evening and welcome to this week's presentation. My name is Dr. Ashi and I'm going to be talking to you about excellence in teaching. For the past 3 weeks, our proceedings have been centered on the activity of the faculty in the teaching arena, effectiveness, impactfulness, and leadership. This week, we are going to focus on excellence, the mastery of teaching, faculty excellence, the criteria for excellence, and the two elements that demonstrate faculty excellence. The art of teaching is an all-inclusive phenomenon that uses evidence-based comprehensive pedagogies to foster the knowledge, skills, relationships, and values that students need to succeed in a fast-evolving world. Mastering the art of teaching involves not just attaining a degree or being intelligible. There are diverse elements that determine excellence in teaching. Excellence is demonstrated first as a lifestyle, followed by effectiveness in educational delivery. These two elements are clearly perceivable when the faculty crosses the path of the university community and the students. Overall excellence cannot be said to be achieved. It is rather pursued than attained. Therefore, faculty must strive at all times to pursue excellence. To do this and achieve excellence, a faculty must develop the spirit of entrepreneurship to empower students, create new approaches of solving complex problems, and plot a trajectory for students to utilize their intellectual curiosity to recognize opportunities and transform into visionary leaders who strive for impactful and ethical solutions for the challenges that face the global community. Faculty excellence is grounded in this context and defined by the following criteria, amongst others: respect and professionalism. The faculty must demonstrate commitment to learning and the learning and teaching process, exemplifies appropriate behavior, and he must act with integrity towards students and colleagues. Challenging and supportive. The faculty must create challenging and attainable learning objectives and provide support, including encouragement and positive reinforcement, inclusiveness and diversity. Faculty must create an open and conducive environment for intellectual risk-taking. Relevant and engaging. The faculty must be relevant, it must be engaging. It must use content that is current, rigorous, and informed by theory, research, evidence, and context, and it must encourage student participation in academic discussions as well as facilitate students' engagement in inquiry and research. Other criteria include utilizing an instructional plan that tests students' prior knowledge, stimulates a regulatory response, regulatory system to help students assess their own learning and to make adjustments on their strategies. Another important criteria is the ability of faculty to demonstrate fair and equitable administration of teaching methods, including the use of transparent assessment processes, and he must give specific and regular timely feedback to the students. In a nutshell, faculty cannot attain excellence. There is no point that you can say the faculty is excellent in the teaching arena. Rather, faculty must continually strive to pursue this excellence by combining these two elements, lifestyle and teaching delivery. The performance of the faculty in these two segments will determine the type of role the university gives to that faculty. Most of the times, the faculty does not know how university assign rules or the prerequisites for assigning rule or what determines rule assignments. Those who are good in showmanship, that is lifestyle, may be retained, who dress well, make their hair and all that. They may be retained or sent for external representation. While those who are good in teaching delivery, they may not be the best um, dressers, they may not pay attention to their physical appearance. Those ones, but they can deliver very well in the teaching delivery. They can do very well. Those ones are considered as arrowheads in the teaching delivery. And they are assigned rules of piloting the affairs of the university, including consulting for um, employment, recruitment for the university, as well as uh, charting the course for meetings, directing discussions. So these are the things that faculty must bear in mind as we strive continually to attain excellence. Thank you very much. See you next week.